Welcome in our new record. In this record we will talk about the present simple tense in Unit 1. Usage. We use the present simple tense to talk about number 1, something that's true in the present. For example, he lives in London. Number 2, something that happens again and again in the present. I play football every weekend. We use words like sometimes, often, always, something that is always true. The adult human body contains 206 bones. Spelling rules. With I and we and you and they, we put the verb in the infinitive case. For example, I go to school every day. If you notice, you will see that go in the infinitive case. We play football every weekend. Listen carefully to this point. With he and she and it, if the verb ends with ss, sh, chox, we add es. For example, watch will be watches, wash will be washes, mix will be mixes. Number 2, if the verb ends with consonant plus y, we cross out y and add ies. For example, try will be tries, fly will be flies. If the verb ends with vowel y, vowel plus y, keep y and add it. Yes, for example, enjoy will be enjoys, play will be plays. Okay, one of you will ask me what is the vowel. There is 5 vowel in English: A, I, E, U, and O. Okay, we can say it IU to make it easy to save them in our mind. Okay, if the verb ends with E, just add S. For example, like will be likes, love will be loves. The map. Look at this map carefully. With I and we and you and they, we keep the verb in the infinitive case. For example, I go to school every day, we play football every week. And number 2, with he and she and they, as we said before, we will add the verb s or es or ies. S, for example, like verb work will be works. Es with any verb ends with ss, sh, cho, and x. Ies with any verb that ends with y. The negative form. With the present tense we use do and does to make the negative form. Okay, we use doesn't for he and she and it, and we use don't for the other I and we and you and they. Question 4. With the present tense we use do and does to make question. There is 2 type of question: yes or no question. We use does for the third person with she and he and it, and we use do for the other I, you, we, and they. Do you play the piano? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Does Dan go fishing every day? Yes, he does. No, he doesn't. Notice that after does we put the third person. Then the verb will be in the infinitive case. Then we will complete our sentence. Do Lick and Ding mend the nets? Yes, they do. No, they don't. WH question. We use do and does with question words like where, what, and why. For example, what does Ding do every day? Rewrite the following sentence using the words between the practice worksheet page 8 and 9. Number 1. I like fishing, and here we want to put it in the negative form. It will be I don't like fishing. Number 2. Lick helps Ding, and we want to use not. Lick is equal with he, so we will use does. Okay, so we will say Lick doesn't help Ding. Number 3. They go fishing every day. When do they go fishing? We will put a question word after it, do or does, then the pronoun, then verb in the infinitive case, and then we will complete our sentence. Number 4. He catches fish, and I want to use what. What does he catch? Rearrange the following sentence. Number 1. Does what catch he? The answer will be what does he catch? Number 2. He catches fish every day. Number 3. Take your time. Does Lick help Ding every day? No, he doesn't. Thank you for your